Welcome to Day 7 of our AVEEROS Financials tutorial series. Yesterday, we built the foundation of our accounts receivable module. Today, we move into managing the daily transactions, the real action within AR. From issuing invoices and recording payments to applying adjustments, write-offs, and refunds, this session will give you full control over every financial interaction with your customers. Let's begin with the first step in the transaction cycle, customer creation to build your client database. To create a new customer, navigate to Setup, then Receivables, then Customer. Enter the required fields, customer code M0001. Customer name equals Mr. Al Materi. City Riyadh. Country Saudi Arabia. Status active. Salesperson KSA01 Umair Sharif. Class 01 FRN, AR Foreign BD. Group code 01 MUL AR Local Multi BD. Extended Group 1 City. Extended Group 2 Rural. Select Sales Tax Code ST18 Sales Tax for customers local. Advance Tax Code is ADVTax Advance Income Tax. Withhold Tax Code is WHT 0% WHT on Sales Tax Invoice. Terms Code Net 30 Receivable on 30 days. GL Posting Code LD003 Account Set Code for Foreign Receivable. Check Credit Limit. Define Credit Limit Max 5 million. Now go to Contact Information tab and provide email address test@gmail.com.sa. Click Save button. It's important to complete all mandatory fields to avoid errors when generating invoices later on. Next, let's move on to Invoice Entry for recording your sales. To issue a new invoice, navigate Transactions, then to Receivables, then Invoice Entry. Press New. Enter required entry and posting dates, or system will provide current date. Then in comment field write invoice for testing. Select the customer S0001. Provide customer PO, Cust PO 36. Define the customer PO date April 5, 2025. Select payment terms Net 30. Select location code main. Now go to Detail Entry tab and enter item code 1. Item name test product. Quantity 6. Unit of measure number. Unit price 250. Sales tax 15%. Save it. Now the invoice voucher will appear to view and print. Now you can print the sales invoice. Posting invoice. Go to Transaction, then Daily Posting, then go to Accounts Receivable tab, then click on Invoice and then select Customer Code from for customer selection. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select from. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select 2. Then press Show button. Then select the invoice from the list to post and then press Post button. Then click OK. Now let's cover how to issue adjustments by creating a credit memo. To issue a credit memo, navigate to Receivables, then Credit Memo Entry. Press New button. Choose the Sold to Customer. Search the invoice number to apply credit memo. Now select the invoice from the list. Now go to Detail Entry tab and apply adjustment for quantity returned by customer, for example 1 quantity. Save it. Upon saving, voucher will appear to review and print. To apply credit memo posting, go to Transaction, then Daily Posting, then go to Accounts Receivable tab, then click on Credit Memo and then select Customer Code from for customer selection. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select from. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select 2. Then press Show button. Then select the credit memo from the list to post and then press Post button. Then click OK. This reduces the customer's outstanding balance and updates your books accordingly. Always reference the original invoice if applicable to maintain a clean audit trail. Next, let's look at how to issue a debit memo to increase customer balances for things like undercharges or late fees. To pass the debit memo entry, you have to follow all the same steps you applied for credit memo entry. Once posted, this increases the customer's balance instantly. Let's now handle receipt entry to record customer payments. To receive a payment, Navigate Transactions, then to Receivables, then Receipt Entry. Press New button. Select the document type Receipt. Select the customer code S00001. Once you select the customer, his all unpaid invoices will appear in below list. Select the invoice to apply payment under the current payment column. Write 1,000 amount as partial payment of invoice. Select the source of payment in the field of bank/cash, for example MCB Bank. Insert the check number 555555. Enter the receiver name XYZ. Select mandatory requirement WHT tax. Save it. The receipt voucher will appear to view and print. Now you have to apply posting of receipt. Go to Transaction, then go to Daily Posting, then go to Accounts Receivable tab and then click on Receipt and then select Customer Code from for customer selection. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select from. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select 2. Then press Show button. Then select the credit memo from the list to post and then press Post button. Then click OK. Now let's go over NSF entry to handle bounce checks, a common real-world scenario. To reverse a payment due to insufficient funds, go to Transactions, Receivables, then go to NSF entry. Press New button. Select NSF option. Enter description, for example test. Select the receipt and search the list will appear, then you will select the receipt which need to refund, which is 886. Then click Save. Now we will make refund receipt. Select Refund option. Select Customer Code S00001. Select payment type, either bank or cash. Let's select the cash. Select Petty Cash Expenses from Bank field. Write test amount 100. And save it. And in the end you post the document.